Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look well ahead at any weather worries that we may have across the region. And it looks like our main concern will come from a disturbance that's going to be moving into the Pacific Northwest as we look ahead to Thursday. You can see this impulse right here. We'll see the swing around to the south, and the big question is the course that it's going to take through the plains. Earlier models showing that it could move far enough to the south to bring us a shot for some severe weather. Now the majority of them taking it further to the north. I'll put this in the motion. You can see that more northerly course with this particular model. That means the best chance for severe weather will be to the north and west of the ArkLaTex. And then with the continuation of the west to southwesterly flow, we'll see off and on rainfall chances continue through most of the rest of next week. In fact, let's give you a look at rainfall potential here from now through next Monday. And you can see the numbers from the Weather Prediction Center showing amounts over the southeast, farther away from the track of that upper level low, basically a half an inch to an inch. Closer to that track, we could see 1 to upwards of 2 inches of rain. And again, the northwestern sections of the area, if we're going to have any severe weather issues here in the next 7 days, that is where that threat may be at its highest. Take a longer range. Again, I mentioned we'll see the chance of rain each day through next Thursday at least. 10-day outlook from the blend of models shows rainfall totals during that time frame ranging from 1.5 inches southeast to over 3.5 inches over the northwestern sections of the area. Now, all this being said, as far as the scale of 1 to 10 as far where we land as far as our severe weather threat is concerned during the next 10 days, I'd put it very similar to where I mentioned it at Friday. Looks like out of that 1 to 10 scale, looks like a 4. At one point, I was considering a 5, but the latest model data now shows that most of the models showing that more northerly course to that upper level low. That being said, things very well could change as we move forward. So we'll keep an eye on that disturbance, which will approach us. We definitely will have all the ingredients there. The main question is, will we see that upper level support strong enough to give us the threat of severe weather here? So 10-day forecast shows a little bit cooler temperatures tomorrow. Big warm up heading towards the Easter weekend. Upper 80s by Friday. Lots of clouds return Saturday. Possibility for the late day scattered thunderstorm, especially northwest on Easter Sunday. And we'll see that continuation of that scattered thunderstorm threat each day through most of next week, as highs next week will settle into the low to middle 80s. Overnight lows most nights here in the next 10 days will be in the 60s.